Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to set up F4SE using an easy method. First, you need to download the correct F4SE version that matches your Fallout 4 game. Once downloaded, extract all the files into a temporary folder on your computer. Next, navigate to your Fallout 4 game's installation directory, which is usually found within your Steam folder. This initial step ensures you have all the necessary components ready for installation. Now, copy all the extracted F4SE files directly into your main Fallout 4 game installation directory. It's crucial that the F4SE loader executable, along with its associated files, resides in the same folder as your Fallout 4 executable. Remember, do not place any of these F4SE files inside your game's data folder. They belong in the root directory. This step correctly integrates F4SE with your game. To launch your game with F4SE, always use the F4SE loader executable, not the standard Fallout 4 launcher. After the game loads, open the in-game console by pressing the tilde key, type get F4SE version and press enter. If a version number appears, your F4SE installation was successful. This confirms that F4SE is correctly integrated and ready to support your mods. If you encounter issues, ensure your F4SE version matches your game's current patch. Game updates often require a new F4SE download. Always check your mod's descriptions for any specific F4SE version requirements to avoid compatibility problems. Also, remember to check the description below for a link to those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. Following these steps will help maintain a smooth modding experience and keep your game running well.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.